Class 2. Hope you all are fine. Yesterday we started unit number 7, fractions. Today we'll continue our unit. Look at this figure. It shows 1/4. It means 1 out of 4 equal parts that is colored. The next shape shows 1/5. It means 1 out of 5 equal parts that is colored. And in the third shape, there are 6 total parts, and from 6 parts 1 part is colored, so we can say 1 out of 6 equal parts that is colored. In the same manner, we can divide the rectangles in different parts, like 1/7 means 1 out of 7 equal parts are colored, 1/8 means 1 out of 8 equal parts are colored, 1/9 means 1 out of 9 equal parts is colored, and 1/10 means 1 out of 10 equal parts is colored. And you can see 1/11 and 1/12 is in the same manner. Now open page 101, exercise work it out. Look at the shapes, color one part and write the fractions. You have to color only one part of each figure and then write it in the fraction, in numbers and in words. The first one figure shows 1/4 or 1/4. So we can write like this. The next one figure shows 1/8, and the spelling of 1/8 is ONE1EIGHTH8. Now do the remaining parts C and D by yourself. It's your homework. Let's learn more about fractions. Look at this figure. It's a triangle and it is divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts are colored. So 2 out of 3 equal parts are colored, so we can say it's 2/3. Okay, there are 2 more shapes which have 3 equal parts, but their colored parts are different. In the first figure, only one part is colored, so we can say it's 1/3. Or in the second figure, there are 2 parts colored, so we can say 2/3. Okay, the next one figure shows 4 parts and 3 parts are colored. 3 out of 4 equal parts are colored, so we can write in fraction 3/4. The next one figure shows 4 out of 5 equal parts are colored. We can write 4/5. In the next figure, there are total 5 parts, but in the first figure there are 2 parts colored, and in the next figure 3 parts are colored. So we can say 2/5 or 3/5. Okay, now note down the homework. Page 103. Do exercise, work it out, color the given fractions. Look at the figures. You have to color the parts as mentioned in the fraction. The first one is 3/4. So you have to color the 3 parts. And in the next figure it is 8/12. So you have to color the 8 parts only, like this. Now complete the remaining parts by yourself. It's your homework.